Alright, this is Easy here. I'm here with my friends Carl and Jeb.
How do?
We're going to try to start this cutlass up.
Ew.
I'm going to give it hell for 20 seconds.
20 seconds of hell. More spray. More spray. More spray.
Alright, go give your truck a little bit of gas.
Give it some gas. Doobie-doob, it's all we got. Boom.
Easy's back again. We're going to try it with some more juice. Here we go.
Cut it.
That's all we got.
It's all we got. It's all we got. It's all we got.